Okay, so this is this week's project, and what I did was I'm using a photosensor that basically decides when this motor turns on with the fan on it. So when it's dark, the fan will turn on, and when it's light out, then the fan is off, which is, I have a bright light here, so that's why the fan is off. To run this motor, it needed to have more power than the Arduino gave, so I have a power supply here that I needed to use to help me power, and I have a battery over here that's connected. And it's really important that we connect the pluses and minuses. So when you put this on the board, the pluses and the minuses have to match the pluses and minuses on your breadboard. And then this little thing is called an L293D, and I wanted to show the pins for that. So it can actually power 2 motors, and it's driving the motor. And so it's kind of like I'm just using one side, the left side. So on here, I have this red wire that goes from, that power goes to the 5-volt, and then these go to pins. This one goes to ground, and this one, these two go to pin. And then over here is my photosensor, and I set that up. So I've got, this is the ground, these are power and 5-volt, and then this one goes to a pin. And then I have that resistor in the middle, and that's a 10K resistor. And so, let me, if I can, turn off the light for a minute. And then see, it turns on and goes. And if I have to set it down, but I can turn the light back on, and then it stops. And originally I learned how to use these motors with this servo motor. It was pretty easy to make it work. This was a little bit more complicated. I do think it kind of worked out really well. I'm gonna do it one more time, just for fun. I'm gonna turn the light off and make my motor work. And it is going reversing, so I did put in the code for it to do a reverse. So it's going one way in direction, then turning and going another direction. And then turn the power, or turn the light on, and then it'll stop. And so there it is.